Why are you late?
Is everything okay? You are a bit late.
Stop talking.
Could you hold on for a second?
You are wrong.
I think you might be mistaken.
I don't care.
It doesn't matter much to me.
Hurry up.
Can you speed up a little?
That's a bad idea.
I'm not sure. That's the best idea.
Give me that.
Could you please hand that to me? Do you think this video helped you to learn English? Then let me know in the comment box. And don't forget to follow and share. Thanks. Don't always say, "Nice to meet you." Here is some alternatives. Glad to meet you. How wonderful to meet you. Pleased to make your acquaintance. Happy to meet you. Great interacting with you. I have enjoyed meeting you. Lovely to meet you. It was nice talking to you. Pleased to meet you. If you like this video, then don't forget to follow and share. Thanks.